I'm Sophia Posey.
And I'm Caleb Whitaker.
And you're watching Lctv.
On this episode, we have footage from this year's Evening with the Stars and a concert from our band.
Following this, we have a segment of interviews with our senior tennis players, as well as a segment on the Lift LC Assembly. Our first segment covers this year's Evening with the Stars, where our top 10% seniors and their favorite teachers were honored.
Teach your children well, their father's help did slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams, the one they picked.
On April 30th, our band held their spring concert.
Next up, we have interviews with our senior tennis players.
Let's take a look.
Hey, I'm Camille Irwin. I play tennis for 1 year, and my favorite memory is DMAR telling us not to miss the feet.
Hi, my name is Jenna Counts, and I've been playing tennis for 1 year, and why I joined the team is because Liliana Sandoval forced me to.
I'm Liliana Sandoval. I've been playing tennis for 4 years, and I joined the team because my mom knew Jonathan.
Hey, my name is Jake Call. I've been playing tennis for 4 years, and I decided to join because I love being with my friends.
To finish the episode, we have footage from the Lift LC Assembly.
My name is Wes Jenkins, and I'm part of Lift LC, and I'm going to ask y'all a few questions. How many people has faced anxiety? How many people has faced depression? How many people has known someone to commit suicide? When you're going through a tough time like this, this is when me, myself, and the Lift LC come in to help.
Good morning. My name is Molly Barnes, and I'm the founder of Lift LC. Recently, our county has seen a rise in teen suicide and depression. As students of LCHS, we feel a responsibility to put a stop to this mental health crisis and have made a commitment to be a friend to all. We have all known somebody to commit suicide. We know the pain. As an organization, it's our goal to help those who are too scared to ask for help themselves and to lift those who are lost back into the light.
And I chose to tell my story to you guys to help you guys understand that no matter the amount of money that you have, the amount of friends that you have, the amount of popularity that you have, will not change anything. Each and all of you are loved, you are important, and you are needed in this world. There's not one thing in this world that should ever dictate your life. You are important, and you have a purpose in this world.
And that's been it for this episode of LCTV, and we'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching.